Hey everybody, Carl here from Apton. We've got our first LG OLED of 2021 to unbox here for you. This is the C1. It's the replacement of the C10 or CX from last year. We're going to open up the box, we're going to take a look at all the accessories that come with it, and then give you our first impression of what we think about the picture. So stay tuned. Here we have all the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got a little plate that goes on the back of the TV to cover up where you would normally put the pedestal if you were going to mount the TV on the wall. Next to that, we've got their LG's brand new redesigned remote, then some batteries for it, some screws to attach the pedestal to the TV, a little clip for some cable management, and then there is your paperwork. So this longer piece that you see here is basically the part of the pedestal that you'll be able to see at the front of the TV, and then behind that we've got the big heavy part that attaches to the back of the TV to kind of keep everything stabilized. So we've got the TV all set up on the pedestal. A couple things to note: picture quality is beautiful, as it has been for the last few years on LG's OLED TVs. It does have this new redesigned remote control. I'm a little torn on this one. I kind of like the design of the old one better. It just seemed to fit my hand a little better, but other people may have different experiences with that. Otherwise, you do have some shortcut buttons on here, which is nice to see. I felt like, and we'll have to do a little more research on this, but I felt like the cursor was a little more difficult to move around on the screen, but that could just be me getting used to it. So we're gonna have a full overview on this one coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It's got the right inputs, it's got HDMI 2.1 on there, you get USB inputs, so it's got all the right stuff. It is G-Sync compatible, so people who are hooking up a PC with G-Sync into this are gonna have access to those variable refresh rates right out of the box, which is a great thing to see. And just overall, a really nice TV on our first impression here. Like I said, we'll do the full overview as well and dive a little bit deeper into it for you. And we'll have some comparisons coming up too. So stay tuned for all those. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.